Hey, this is Nick with Sellers Arena, and in this video, we're gonna talk about Amazon DSP and, well, whether it is worth it or not for you as an Amazon seller to use Amazon DSP or not. Is it a good fit for you or not? So with that, first, let's get into what exactly Amazon DSP is and what it mainly is going to be used for, okay? So Amazon DSP is a lot different from your normal Amazon pay-per-click advertising. First of all, the most important thing you need to remember is Amazon DSP is not pay-per-click advertising, it is pay per impression. So with that, we're gonna be more like a top of the funnel type of ad where you're trying to drive more brand awareness. Think of it as like putting up billboards. All the big brands out there, they wanna, just constantly be putting out reminders that they are the best of the best, that they are the king of the mountain, so to speak, okay? They're willing to invest in those billboards and those reminders and that brand awareness, okay? They probably have a marketing budget specifically set aside, and studies have shown that this type of top of funnel brand awareness advertising does tend to drive or increase sales 4 to 5x over time. Now, is it gonna do it in 90 days? So as soon as you start running Amazon DSP, for example, is it going to boost sales 4 to 5x in 90 days? Of course not. Again, this is brand awareness, just getting in front of people, getting yourself known, and over time, you become known as the brand to go to for that specific product. So that being said, let's ask the question again, is this worth it for you to do? Knowing this is going to be an investment over time in your brand to drive these sales in this manner, okay, versus just really dialing in your Amazon pay-per-click within Amazon Seller Central. If you are a smaller brand and you're just getting started, if you haven't fully maximized the potential of your Amazon PPC within Amazon Seller Central, then I would say Amazon DSP is definitely not for you, unless you just have very deep pockets and you are just ready to do whatever it takes to just be the best of the best, no matter the spend, okay? But 99% of the people out there, it's gonna be much better, I think, for you to start out really dialing in your Amazon pay-per-click before you think about using DSP. So you can think of Amazon DSP as a way to just completely dominate the category after you've already maximized the potential within Amazon by then putting up these virtual billboards on these websites, because that's basically how DSP works. You're basically going to be paying for ads to show up on websites throughout the net. And again, that top of funnel brand awareness that you're the best brand out there and will work in synergy with your pay-per-click advertising to completely dominate your category, your niche, and make sure your brand stays on top of the rest. So anyway, I hope that helps you out, guys, and hope that gets you a little bit clearer picture on whether or not you need to be even thinking about using Amazon DSP or exploring that avenue. For most brands that are just getting started or kind of mid-level, you don't need to be worrying about that yet. Again, dial in everything else on Amazon first, then think about DSP. Because this is something that us, Sellers Arena, as an Amazon agency, we're going to be rolling out to our clients, our future clients, as a way to drive additional sales, increase revenue for our clients. But again, only for the ones that are qualified. But yeah, hope that helps you out, guys. Definitely give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.